Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey towards mastering the IELTS exam. Whether you're aiming for higher education, immigration, or personal growth, this video is your ultimate guide to acing the IELTS. We'll take you through each step, from understanding the exam to advanced preparation techniques. So, let's dive right in and unlock your path to IELTS success. 1. Demystifying the IELTS exam. Begin by gaining a clear understanding of what the IELTS exam entails. We'll explore the different test formats, academic versus general training, sections, and scoring criteria. 2. Setting clear goals. Define your IELTS goals. Determine the required band score for your purpose and plan your preparation accordingly. 3. Developing your language skills. Focus on honing your language skills. Reading, writing, listening, and speaking. We'll guide you through strategies to improve each skill effectively. 4. Mastering reading and listening. Explore reading and listening techniques tailored for the IELTS exam. Learn how to skim, scan, and extract key information efficiently. 5. Crafting powerful writing responses. Master the art of writing for IELTS. Discover how to structure essays, reports, and letters effectively while showcasing your language proficiency. 6. Acing the speaking test. Conquer the speaking test with confidence. Learn about the interview format, common topics, and strategies for articulating your thoughts fluently. 7. Extensive practice. Practice makes perfect. Explore mock tests, sample questions, and exercises to familiarize yourself with the exam format and build your test-taking stamina. 8. Time management. Learn time management strategies to pace yourself during the exam. We'll provide tips on allocating time for different sections while maintaining quality. 9. Reviewing and feedback. Discover the importance of reviewing your practice tests and seeking feedback. Learn how to identify weaknesses and work on improving your performance. 10. Test day tips and confidence boosters. Prepare for the big day. We'll provide insights into what to expect on test day, including registration, document requirements, and confidence-boosting techniques. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering the IELTS exam. By following these points, you're well on your way to achieving your desired band score. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exam preparation tips and guidance. Get ready to excel in your IELTS journey and open doors to new opportunities.